very good. Comfortably walking, nothing is there, no comfort, nothing is there, everything is okay, fine. I'm walking also very free.
ओके, तो जनरली आपका पहले जो आप पाँव इस्तेमाल करते थे,
Very different, all different.
ओके
Even last week I came, after today I came, very comfortable now.
ओके
I'm going also very comfortable, no problem.
ओके
I am feeling independent. Yeah, I'm walking. I'm very happy, very much happy.
ओके, थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.
I'm really happy with Pro Ortho Perfect India Private Limited, and especially with Dr. Akshay Zoge. He has provided tremendous support during a new prosthetic upgrade that we have come for. So we had come to him around 2019 for our first prosthetic for my dad, and that was a successful one. Again, we had to upgrade to a new one with a lock system, with a silicone support as well. So he has provided all the support and care and the confidence for my dad to make him walk comfortably without any support of a walker or a stick. So I'm really happy to see my father walking without any support and with such confidence. Thank you, Dr. Akshay.